Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to unlock Truecaller Gold features for free. So if you've seen videos claiming there's a secret trick to get Truecaller Gold forever without paying, then here's the reality. There isn't a legitimate way to permanently unlock Truecaller Gold features for free. Truecaller Gold is a premium membership that requires exclusive features and requires an active subscription. So avoid downloading modified APKs or using websites that promise free gold memberships. And if you're new to Truecaller, you may also occasionally be offered an official free trial of premium or gold features depending on your country and current promotions. So to check your eligibility, open the Truecaller app, tap your profile and then select the premium or gold section to view any available offer. So that was the truth about unlocking Truecaller Gold features for free. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.